Hello and welcome to Sharpie's Garage. This is just a bit of a toolbox tour for me, toolbox I use in my day job. We look after 40 plus buses, so I don't get much chance to clean it out. We're always pretty flat out with work. So it's as is, how I use it on a daily basis. I try to sparkle out up. So I hope you enjoy. I've never been one for snap-on or anything like that, so this is just the cheapest box I could find. It cost me about 600 quid. In the top of the box I just tend to chuck all my junk in there. I've got some files for data work and whatnot. Then in the top drawer is all my electrical gear, different connectors, different plugs, testing gear. Then in the next drawer is my old pliers drawer. I keep meaning to clean this out when I get a chance. I don't tend to use these much anymore. I bought a set of pliers in a foam base. In the next drawer I picked up a set of screwdrivers in a foam backing, or whatever we're going to call it. I'm trying to get everything in foam because I find it a lot better. Then in the next drawer it's the bit drawer. It's where I chuck everything that I've got no room for hotels. Then if you move across, it's just an air tool drawer. I just tend to chuck everything in here. And the next one up, it's Allen keys, a few Torx keys. And in this one we've got drill bits, picks, chisels for air chisel, some code chisels, some cutting gear. And in the top one I've just got glues, some tapes, pens, general junk really. And in the large drawer, that's the one that gets the most hammer. That's all my sockets, ratchets, etc. To keep my ratchets and extensions sorted, I used a cutlery tray. And the next one is my spanner drawer. That gets a lot of hammer and all. And in the next drawer it's the new ply set that I picked up. In the next drawer down it's all box gear. I've got a injector seat tool and brake caliper tools, brake pipe tools. And in the bottom one I generally keep corded power tools in there, but a lot of them are out apparently. Eventually if the toolman keeps going round I'll have everything in foam. And the next one we've got some adjustables, some bolt cutters, ball joint splitters, things like that. I do find these magnetic trays on the side very handy, putting my greases, lubes, etc. Saves running across the store place every 5 minutes. And to liven the back up, I just put some I mainly work on Arvecos, but Fords are my favourite, so hence the stickers. The Fiat badge come off an accident damaged bus, and I thought, well, I'll stick it on here. And the RS bus, that come off another, no, that was a scrap bus. I took that off. I'm sure your toolbox will look a lot nicer, but it does get some hammer. So that's it for this one. Thanks for watching, see you next time.